Best time to trade. I know you have been watching your chart, and sometimes you can have a big spike and you wonder why have the market moved after ranging so many hours. So in this video, I want to just highlight on the best time to trade, and you'll be able to know which pairs to trade and which one to avoid. So before we go to the video, I want to tell you there are 4 sessions. We have 4 trading sessions. So we have 4 trading sessions. The first one is the London session, the New York session. Then we have the Sydney. Then we have the Tokyo. So these are the 4 sessions that we have. We have London, New York, Sydney, and Tokyo. So, and I will be giving with Kenyan time. So Kenyan time, for you, if you're outside Kenya, for us, we use UTC +3. So if you use UTC +5, you may know how to do the calculation. So in Kenya, we do UTC +3. And I will give with our time because I don't want to confuse many people. So if you're in Kenya and you want to trade London session starts between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Go and open your chart and you will see movement of the market. The market is very active between 10 to 11. That's when the London session, they are very, very active. For the New York is 3 p.m. So 3 p.m. Kenyan time, you will find New York session is very, very active. For Sydney is 11 p.m. Kenyan time. 11 p.m. Kenyan time. This market, the Sydney is very active, and the Tokyo is 3 a.m. The Tokyo is 3 a.m. So we have the London 10 to 11. It varies. Sometimes by 10, the market starts to become volatile. So 10 to 11, the London session is very volatile. And the New York is volatile, 3 p.m. Sydney is 11 at night, our time, and 3 a.m. is Tokyo. So which pairs are you supposed to be watching when you're trading London session? So the London session, I want you, one is 3 a.m. So in the morning for Kenyans and that person who if you just even Google 11 a.m. Kenyan time to your time, you will be able to know what time will be, exact time will be in your place. So if you want to trade on the London session, these are the pairs, the best pairs to trade, Euro and GBP. These are the best pairs to trade in that time. So you can trade Euro, USD, GBP, USD. Any pair with GBP or Euro is the best to trade at London session. When it comes to New York session, any pair with USD, it starts to become volatile. So that's why you can sometimes, you might be trading GBP, USD in the morning. So you might be trading GBP USD in the morning, and the market and your buy is going on well. You had entered buy and you have profits. But in the afternoon, when now New York session comes in, we don't know how the USD will behave. Sometimes you may start seeing sellers coming in because the reason why sellers are coming in is because of the New York session has opened, and maybe majority of people who are in the New York, they are selling GBP thinking GBP will never see it trending for a very long time. And I can give it with example. Let me show you what I mean when I say GBP it will buy today and buy tomorrow. Like it will buy this time and then the other time. So if you look at GBP in such a case, you see this candle. This is a candle of London session. So the market opened and immediately London session, the market moved up with 54 pips. So this candle is for London session, and the other candle is when New York session opens. So if you had money, let's say you had entered and you are trading London session and you have money, you don't need to be found by New York session. So New York session is about 3. So it's either you choose, I'll be trading from 11 or 10 to 2:30. By 3, you're outside the market. You don't want to trade because if you continue trading, you will find that you have some trades that are going negative, yet you are making money. Okay. So for me, I highly suggest that if you start trading, you you understand the sessions. Once you understand the session, you are able to know when to exit the trade. Okay. So for GBP USD, you can see it has For GBP USD, you can see at the London session, the pound is very strong, but when we come to New York session, the pound becomes weak and the USD starts to it starts to take the power. For Sydney, if you want to trade a Sydney pair, the AUD is for Sydney. So anytime you're trading AUD USD, sometimes you will start to notice this pair. Sometimes at night it moves. When GBP USD is not moving much, AUD USD and GBP AUD, they can move a lot at night because of the Sydney session. So sometimes you may be sleeping with GBP AUD pair, and these are the pairs that you should avoid when you're in Kenya and it's time to go and sleep. Don't sleep with these two trades. You might find that either you have made money or you have lost because they move when we ask you are sleeping. For the Tokyo session, is JPY pairs. If you have noticed, JPY pairs, they move a lot at 3 a.m. Even the news to be released on JPY pairs moves a lot at 3 a.m. So these are the pairs, the Tokyo and the Sydney if you're in Kenya, or you convert your time and you see you'll be sleeping. Just avoid trading those pairs at that time because they will move. They are volatile, and you might imagine when the market is moving and you're sleeping. So this is to encourage you when you're choosing your pair, choose your pair wisely. For AUD USD is a good pair, but AUD USD during London session, it does not move. Have you ever noticed you have traded GBP USD and AUD USD in the morning, but AUD USD doesn't move? It starts to move, comes in. So when you're trading your pairs, you have to be very, very careful what you're trading and to be very careful. If you trade now AUD JPY during the day, sometimes it may stay without even giving you. It may range a lot because AUD is Sydney and JPY is Tokyo, and this pairs a lot of movement on AUD JPY. But during the night, AUD JPY, they really move. So with this, you will have to understand that for me, the best pairs that I can recommend is Euro USD, GBP USD. These are the pairs that you can I can recommend because you see now when you have these pairs, when you have these pairs like GBP USD, you already know I'll be trading from 10 to 11 and by 2 I'm done. Euro USD the same. Or I won't trade in the morning, but by 3 I will start to trade. So this video was just to help you to understand the time zones. And you start now like EuroCard. If this is your pair and you are trading EuroCard, let's see what is happening. So you can see this euro is the market started to move. Can you see the market started to move here at the London session at 12? From 11 to 12, the market started to move up, and you can tell that the market sometimes it gains more power. So understanding your time zone is very important. So if you're watching this video, I want you to comment down below and let me know, what do you think by time zones? Do you think time zones have been affecting your trade? Do you trade Tokyo, Sydney? Which time zone do you trade? Which time zone do you trade? Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I will be doing, and that's why you see many people going live when they are trading New York session at 3, or going live London session and they rate London session, just to clarify. Okay, guys. So I have really want people not to be scammed by someone who is impersonating me, and not someone. Many people are impersonating me. I don't know the deal with impersonating me. So if you want any of my classes, we are starting with Class of Excellence that will start on October. And then from Class of Excellence, we will go to the FHT. FHT is the Forex Hidden Treasure Forex course. If you're still interested with it, you can purchase it. And the last but not least is the Zoom 1-month mentorship program for international students. It will be starting on 20th of October. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'm so happy by your testimony. So many people are texting me saying, we have started to understand Forex, we have started to understand. Let's keep on making those testimonials because it is really motivating me. Okay, so all the best. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Love you.